If you're using a life cycle assessment system, you know the value it brings. Calculating the climate impact of your sold products, so-called Scope 3 emissions, is instrumental for creating transparency to your customers, legislators, and investors. For standard products and commodities, the LCA has traditionally been done in the product development departments. Many B2B manufacturing products, however, are deeply individualized, and the usage of the product is unique for every customer. This makes it difficult to create accurate and complete LCA calculations in product design, since those factors are determined in the sales process, not during the product development. So how can we move LCA to the sales process and automate it without having to involve sales engineers or LCA experts in every sales case and quote? Enter CPQ. Many B2B manufacturers are using smart configuration technologies to empower sales reps to configure complex and individualized industrial equipment based on customer requirements and usage estimates. These tools, known as configure price quote systems, translate customer requirements into a valid and buildable technical solution, create sales bill of material, pricing, quote documents, visualizations, CAD files, and more. Once the deal is closed, these data can then be sent to downstream fulfillment systems for error-free order execution. As leaders in lifecycle assessment and configure price quote, Prea Sustainability and Tacton has now partnered up to enable automated and dynamic footprint calculations in the Tacton CPQ sales tool. The full footprint calculation is instantly available in the sales tool after every configurator selection, empowering the sales rep and end customers to reduce the footprint through product selections. If the customer would like the most sustainable solution, it's possible to optimize the whole solution on lowest footprint. Together with instant price calculations, the buyer is thus able to balance sustainability with other investment consideration in the buying journey. The footprint assessments can be inserted to quote documents, but also be used in the ESG reporting, radically reducing compliance costs. Through integration between SimaPro and Tacton CPQ, you can automate and scale the climate impact calculations of sold manufacturing products, creating carbon transparency to customers, your company, as well as legislators and investors. This will decrease your compliance costs, drive more deals and revenue, but also make it easier for you to attract talents and investments.